Hello everyone, this is Kavita Goyal. Welcome back to you all in your SST class. Today we are going to start first chapter of your civics part, that is human diversity. So without further ado, let's get started that part.
Unity in diversity. At the end of this lesson, we should be able to make observations and quote instances about various forms of diversity in our everyday environment. State the difference between diversity and inequality. Explain diversity in India and also how historical and geographical factors influence diversity. Explain the concept of unity in diversity in the context of India. Sam's teacher has given a small project in the class. She has written a few questions on the board and all students have to give their answers. The questions are: which is your favorite sport? Which is your favorite food? What is your most important festival? Which language do you speak at home? Now, let us see some of the answers. Sam likes to play football. His favorite food is biryani. His most important festival is Christmas and he speaks Malayalam at home. Rahul loves to play football. His favorite food is aloo paratha. His most important festival is Diwali and he speaks Hindi at home. Nisha loves swimming. Her favorite food is rice and fish curry. For her, Durga Puja is the most important festival and she speaks Bengali at home. Ria loves to play tennis. She likes to eat Chinese food. Her most important festival is Diwali and she speaks Punjabi at home. What do you observe from the answers given by some of the students in Sam's class? Some children have common answers like Sam and Rahul share similar choices on the favorite sport, and Rahul and Ria both have Diwali as the most important festival. In other aspects, the children are different. They speak different languages at home and like different types of foods. But they're all friends. They study together, play games and do a lot of activities in a group. The same is true if you look around in your neighborhood or extend this thought to the whole country or world. Each individual is unique and yet different from each other. Like Rahul and Sam speak different languages. They have different religions, like Sam is a Christian and Rahul is a Hindu. Now, Rahul and Nisha are also different on another aspect, which is outside the answers we got. What is the obvious difference between Rahul and Nisha? Rahul is a boy and Nisha is a girl. So, differences can be due to many reasons including gender, religion, language, region, etc. To accept and respect differences between individuals while also understanding that each individual is unique outlines the concept of diversity. Near Rahul's school, a boy of his age comes every day after the school is over to sell ice cream. Rahul never misses looking out for him. One day, he was waiting for his bus and went to this boy to buy ice cream. Rahul started talking to him. He found out that his name was Ramesh. He was 12 years old, exactly the same age as Rahul. Watching cricket turned out to be Ramesh and Rahul's favorite hobby. They both were similar and yet not. Can you name the two ways in which Rahul and Ramesh were different? Rahul goes to school every day, whereas Ramesh has never gone to a school. Rahul's family has money and they take care of all his needs. Ramesh's family is poor. He has to earn money to help his family. Is this an example of diversity? No, this is not the case of diversity, but it is inequality. Here, two children do not have access to the same opportunities and resources, which shows inequality in our country. Let us now do a quick tour of India and visit some important places. Punjab is located in the northern part of India. Here, the land is very fertile and farming is a main occupation. A very large part of India's food grain comes from this state. Wheat is the staple food of the state. A large population are followers of Sikhism and native language is Punjabi. Lohri and Baisakhi are important festivals. Let us now move to West Bengal, a large state in eastern India. Here, people speak Bengali and eat lots of fish. Women wear traditional Bengali saris and Durga Puja is the main festival. Moving to south, let us look at the state of Kerala. Here, language is Malayalam. The tradition dress is very unique and here coconut is a key ingredient in food. Onam is the main festival. What did you notice during this short tour of our country? We can clearly see that India is a very diverse land. There are many different languages, cultures, religions and traditions followed throughout India. Can you think of some reasons of how India became such a diverse nation? To understand that, let us assume that you are from Delhi and your father gets transferred to Chennai. You start going to a school there. Your family has interactions with the neighbors. Do you feel that there would be any changes in your lifestyle? Yes, you may pick up a few words of Tamil. Your mother may start preparing some local dishes based on her interactions with some friends around. So, your change of place actually had an impact on your culture. Let us take the example of Ladakh and Kerala to understand the analogy with this example. Ladakh is a desert area in Jammu and Kashmir with very little vegetation. People here rear sheep, which gives a very special kind of wool called Pashmina wool. This is very prized wool and the shawls made from this wool are called Pashmina shawls and are very expensive and in demand across the world. Ladakh also has many passes which made travel possible from India to Tibet. Traders use this route to carry spices, pashmina, raw silk and carpets. Buddhism reached Tibet through Ladakh. Islam was also introduced in this region 400 years ago and now it has a significant Muslim population. Kerala is the state in the southwest corner of India. It has a sea on one side and mountains on the other. Kerala is famous for spices like cloves, cardamoms, pepper, etc. This made the region an attractive place for traders. Arabs and Jewish traders were the first to come. In fact, Christianity also came to India through Kerala 2000 years ago. Many Arab traders also settled here, so it has a Muslim population also. Looking at these two examples, we can see that it was the geographical locations of these areas which led to people of various cultures visiting and settling in these places. So, the diversity of a place is affected by its geography and also by its history. India is the finest example of unity in diversity throughout the world. When the British ruled India, they thought that they could divide Indians because they were so different and then continue their rule. But Indians under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi and other leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel stood united and fought the British rule. In fact, the term unity in diversity is coined by Jawaharlal Nehru to describe India in his book Discovery of India.
I hope students you got the concept of your topic. So now you will try the bookwork of this same chapter before getting the answer key. Till that, bye bye everyone.